This is the Scross adapter. It's a 2-pole and 3-pole adapter, and it is great if you want to travel around the world. You have all the possibilities, or almost all the possibilities that you need. It comes here with this type of plug that is used, for example, in Germany, Belgium, and so forth. And then, for example, if you come from Switzerland, you can just add this one, and then you have this possibility over here, and then it converts into 3 different blocks in here. You have US, UK, and I believe China. And just by pressing this switch here, you can slide over, and then you have the block that you need. You have the instructions that you would need to carefully read, because of course you cannot plug anything. This is not a converter, it's an adapter, but you can add, of course, anything that has to do with a laptop or an iPhone cable. You have 3 different USB plugs in here for multiple charge at the same time. So this is very convenient if you are traveling and you have this one with you. You are covered. Read the instructions to see what kind of voltage you can add to it. It says it is no problem for example, hair dryer, but like I said, the instruction will give you every information that you need. I absolutely love it. It's very compact, it's lightweight, and you have everything here that you need.